In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OBS Virtual Camera on Discord. If you want to show your OBS scene directly in Discord, whether that's for streaming style layouts, overlays, screen content, or a more polished camera setup, the process is actually very simple. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can get everything connected and working properly. First, open OBS Studio on your computer. Once OBS is open, look toward the bottom right area of the window where the controls dock is located. In that section, click the Start Virtual Camera button. This tells OBS to send your current scene out as a camera source that other apps, including Discord, can use. Before moving on, it's a good idea to make sure the scene you want to share is already visible inside OBS, since whatever is active there is what Discord will receive. Next, open Discord. In the bottom left corner, click the User Settings gear icon. This will take you into your settings menu, where you can adjust audio, video, and other app preferences. From the left-hand navigation menu, select Voice and Video. This section controls how Discord handles your microphone and camera, so this is where you'll connect OBS as your video source. Now scroll down until you reach the Video Settings section. Find the Camera drop-down menu, click it, and choose OBS Virtual Camera from the list. Once selected, Discord should switch from your normal webcam input to the video feed coming from OBS. To confirm everything is working, click Test Video. This lets you preview your camera inside Discord before joining a call or live chat. If your OBS feed appears correctly, then you're all set. If the video doesn't show up right away, make sure the virtual camera is still running in OBS and that the correct scene is active. With that done, you can use your OBS output in Discord anytime you want a more customized video setup.